Want to fix League of Legends failed to launch error? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to Summoner's Rift. Let's dive in. First things first, this generic error usually indicates a problem with the League of Legends client, corrupted game files, or conflicts with your system. Now, the easiest fix is to restart the League of Legends client and your PC. Close the client completely, ensure no leagueclient.exe processes are running in Task Manager, and then relaunch your computer before trying again. Next, run the Hextech repair tool. This official Riot Games tool can diagnose and fix common client issues. Download it from Riot's support page, run it, and select Force Repatch. This will repair any corrupted game files. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking League of Legends or the Riot Client. Temporarily disable them and try launching. If it works, add exceptions for the client and related Riot processes. Ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated GPU drivers can cause launch failures. Also, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Finally, try running the League of Legends client as an administrator. Right-click its shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If all else fails, a full client reinstallation might be necessary. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more League of Legends tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.